guys, welcome back to another video. How are you all doing today? If today is your first time of coming across my channel, you are highly welcome. My name is Sarah. Please do consider to subscribe to our channel for DIY natural ingredient, flat tummy and all. Okay, so guys, on today's video I'm going to be showing you guys one of the best way to treat your hair at home. If you are having dandruff, you want to get rid of it, and you want to treat your hair scars, this is what you need. Watch this video to the end, and I'm going to be showing you guys how you are going to be using this aloe vera. So the first thing I'm doing now is taking out this is my aloe vera plant. So I'm going to take out the aloe vera white in its inside. Okay. Aloe vera is good to promote your hair growth. Aloe vera is good to prevent your hinges. It prevents dandruff from your hair, and it's really nice in softening and make your head look ready. Okay, so this is my aloe vera. This is what I'm going to be using today. After that, I'm going to add to my blender is a simple ingredient that is so good for your hair, that will make your hair to look soft, beautiful, takes away every dandruff from your hair. Okay, then I'm going to be adding to my blender. I'm going to blend this aloe vera without water. So guys, this is my aloe vera. After turning it on your bowl, I'm going to add my shampoo, normal shampoo. Okay, this is for normal hair. Okay, after adding your shampoo, the next thing that you need to do is to turn and mix together. Okay, so this is really going to be good for your hair, for your scarf. Okay, so it's really nice for your hair. It makes your hair to grow, to look healthy, and it's really nice. It prevents dandruff, it prevents hair inches and all that. Okay, so guys, the next thing that we are going to do now, let's go ahead. Let me show you how I use it on my hair. Turn it here. This is the condition for my hair. So I've divided my hair into 4 places. What I'm going to do now is to start using it on my hair. Okay, I just finished losing my hair. So after losing your hair, you can use this before washing it off. Okay, so I'm going to use it now.
Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small, way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small.
See that, guys? It's going to make your hair to be soft. Like when you just finish losing your hair and you are finding it very difficult to comb, you'll use this on your hair and it's going to be very easy for you to comb and all that. Okay,
take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small, way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small, way back before we blew it all. Too many things going on, I can't keep track of them all. From people dropping a bomb to people putting up walls. I feel like life is on hold, perception stuck in a vault. I know that time can heal all, but how much time till we fall? It's awfully chilly outside when there's no shelter to hide. When everything is a lie, you'll find that out in some time. But when the things on your mind are all considered a crime, communication aside, we'll all just fight till we die. Is this an argument or just the start of it? Either way, I don't wanna be a part of it. Can I just get some space? I don't have the heart for this. I can't be picking up the pieces, fixing scars from this. Is this an argument or just the start of it? I wanna drive away so I can be so far from it. I wanna find a place where no one breaks their promises, or maybe drown myself in something that is bottomless. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. I know that things seem bad, but they could be much worse. There's always someone.
Guys, after doing that, the next thing that I'm going to do, I'm going to cover my head with shower cap. Okay. So guys, after covering your hair with shower cap, leave it for 15 minutes. Then after 15 minutes, you can wash it off, then dry it, and your hair is good to go. This is how I managed to grow my hair from 0 to this level. I cut off all my hair before, then I started it again. This is good for relaxed hair and for natural hair. So my hair is a relaxed hair. I'm going to be bringing you guys a lot of things that I use on my natural relaxed hair that is so good. Okay, so if you have a natural hair, you can still use it. If you have not retouched your hair for once, you can use it. It makes your hair too soft, prevent dandruff. Okay, and yes guys, thank you all so much for watching. Please do consider to subscribe, so whenever we upload a video, you will be the first to be notified. Bye guys, and I'm going to be seeing you all on my next video.